Hey guys, Justin Lobato here today in Autogeek Show Car Garage. We have with us Billy Baugus, the inventor, the overall person who came up with the brightest idea in the world to get engaged in the chemical industry with his brand, American Detailer Garage. And Billy, traditionally is a professional detailer, and then he decided to get into the chemical side with the development of American Detailer Garage products. So we want to go ahead and dive into that and see what got him into this crazy side of the industry from being a professional detailer.
I guess I was glutton for punishment, Justin. I mean, during my career, 25 years of detailing cars, I always felt like, man, it'd be great if we had a product that did this, or it'd be great if we had a product that did that. And over time, I would kind of make my own concoctions with the products that I was already using. And I thought what a great idea would be to create my own line of products to go out there and show other detailers alike what I would consider a more efficient way or a professional's take on how to detail a car.
Being more proficient in regards to the way that your style of products are, where you're able to make them very versatile, but simplify at the same time.
Versatile simplicity. That was the whole tagline behind the brand, is versatile simplicity. Products that are very versatile. They have multiple different high points for the product. And then simple meaning that they're not overcomplicated. You don't have to be a chemist to use our products.
And this is something that obviously in your downtime at the shop with you tinkering, it just allowed you to kind of find things that simplify the process as a professional.
I think all detailers like to play with chemicals. It's fun to see what this does and what that does, and to be able to create your own is truly an honor and a blessing, and it's a ton of fun.
How long did you play with this stuff before you decided that you really wanted to just say, hey, you know what, I've got something?
We started early development for Wipeout in 2017, probably early 2017, and we didn't come to market until like August. So 8 months.
And that would be of course, that was the first product that was released under the...
Wipeout and FBomb were our first. They came out at the same time, and the cool thing is FBomb is a byproduct of Wipeout, meaning when we were going through testing and developing Wipeout, the additive that we used in it, the soap base, was actually in Wipeout, but I didn't like the way that it worked on Windows. It wasn't good enough for me, so we took that surfactant out and created a whole different product because I really liked the way it cleaned. Wasn't happy with the final result on Windows 100% of the time, and that's maybe the overthinking part, but that's how we came up with our first two products.
Very nice. Now, besides from the chemistry stuff that you have going on with the products, what about the name? Where did American Detailer Garage come from?
So you know what the truth is? Well, we came up with the name, ideally enough, from the Ultimate Fighting Championship. So Ultimate Fighter was a TV show, and I said, man, that'd be great if they had a TV show for detailers, like 4 or 5 detailers living in the same house, detailing cars, working with each other. If I ever had that idea, I would call it American Detailer. And that was 2014, I think, when I came up with the name. Never thought anything of it, and it was just kind of always lingering in the back of my mind.
So the name was something that came up from the Ultimate Fighter.
Ultimate Fighter, yeah.
Which, I mean, if you put 5 or 6 detailers in one house, there might be an Ultimate Fighter scenario there. Because they're talking either religion, politics, or coatings, and it's on.
It's on.
But outside of that, that basically just evolved into, once you started tinkering with chemicals and developing this great product line, that you were able to slap that name on there and have that gut feeling of it feeling really good to be the title.
Yeah, it is. It's great to take an idea and bring it to fruition, into real life, and to see your branding, your name, the idea that you came up with on a bottle of product out there. And not just on the product, we got banners, hats, things like that. It's
swag.
It's swag. It's seeing an idea turn into a brand.
Yep, and you have that along with representing the industry. For those in the field, you have the hashtag trenches as well.
The hashtag trenches, because everybody comes up the hard way.
That's
and
right.
We never leave the trenches. We're always in the trenches. We just get better at it.
Yeah, refine it.
Refine trenches.
That's right. So there you have it. That is the backstory from Billy Baugus himself about how American Detailer Garage has evolved, has developed, and all the fun stuff behind it for the backstory about American Detailer Garage, the brand. And of course, if you want to learn more about any of the products, visit us at Autogeek.com. And of course, remember to like, subscribe, and follow us. And remember, at Autogeek, the beauty is in the details.